Oh yeah, I did.
What did I say?
That you wanted to show it off.
Why?
Because
Because it's wires.
Because you want to piss him off?
Nope, because it's mostly wires on my 2DS. I was gonna take the Switch out.
Why?
So then he gets pissed off thinking the Switch is here in the bag. I open it up, it's my DS and cords.
Good morning, you guys. It is a crisp 4:10.
Oh, I did games right there. Smart.
You can always leave it in the trunk.
Why would I leave it in the trunk? There's a game in it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I was playing it this morning while watching YouTube.
Anyway, so we are headed to the airport.
Hey.
Just switching it out.
Oh, no, I just thought it was illegal to drive with 2 lights on.
That's what my mom always told me.
That's what my mom always told me.
Because I thought it was.
What's wrong?
My mom was never wrong. So I have Connor, Kyle, Lex, and Anthony are in the car behind us. It is so early, Dutch Bros isn't even open.
What time does it open?
I'm not sure, like 5:30 probably.
Alright, let's wait now.
There's a Dutch Bros in Pendleton now.
Oh, okay. Oh. Sad.
Is your phone too heavy?
Oh, no. It can hold it. It just doesn't want to.
Oh.
That's right, because this thing is...
So, last night when we went to bed, we had 20-mile-an-hour winds with 50-mile-an-hour gusts. And...
Who's Gus?
we're gonna see if we leave on time, if the flight
Oh, there it is.
has an issue. I don't know.
It just doesn't want to stay in. Okay.
Connor's trying to play tower defense.
Nope, I just wanted to hold my phone.
Oh. Anyway, so we are headed to the airport now.
Very Yankee.
Lex is mad because with the gusts and wind and her car weighing next to nothing, because I think her car is just about, I think it says 2,500. And being an inexperienced driver, we don't think it's best that she drives and she is angry. But she's gonna have to get over it. Because we have to do what's safe first. So we are leaving a bit earlier than we need to. But that's only because we can take our time this way. Good afternoon. So we have made it. The plane ride was awful. Hey, did you know that? Oh, I'm talking to myself. So, it was another 2 hours? No, it was 3 hours. And then we went some really weird way. But I'm standing on the deck. You have to see this. That is the ocean. That is how close we are. Oh, there's an A-frame house. I don't even know how you would get down there. Anyway, so yeah, it is beautiful. It is cool, and I am so happy to not have jeans on. So let me show you. What? Nothing.
We made it. They made me fly, and that is no.
Oh, yeah, that'll have to be another little story time. Here's front room, a Kyle,
So, we're flying home.
Our child.
Connor, a Xander, a childhood,
Where the heck is the thing? It's not
then down the hall.
Go over one
So we got
square and hit up from the back
first
wall.
bathroom, which leads into there, which is the laundry room, kitchen, Connor's room. Turn that light off. Lexi's, and she's over there, passed out. And then Anthony and I's, and we have a private bathroom, which is nice. And of course, the kitchen. But, you know, it looks like a kitchen.
Yeah, his